Hello guys, this is Joyce again. Welcome back to our channel. Do you know single platform laser cutting machine needs to be maintained every week? So Joyce today will teach you 6 steps to do it. First, maintenance of the oil pot. Check the oil level of the oil pot every week. Add lubricating oil in time. Automatic lubrication system. So if the oil level of the oil pump is too low, it will alarm. Use Mobile 46 and refill it with oil. Second, maintenance of water tank. Set the temperature to 25 to 26 degrees in the low temperature area, 28 to 29 degrees in the normal temperature area, and also install the air conditioner to the laser source. Set the temperature to 22 to 25 degrees. In winter, set the temperature to 22 to 23 degrees, low temperature. Third, change the water every week. Use distilled water. And remember to clean the water tank every time you change the water, such as filter element, sink, condenser, filter, and fan. And also clean it with air at the same time. And clean it with a rag and a brush. Fourth, mechanical cleaning. After the equipment is powered off, clean the Z-axis guide rail and screw rod with a clean cloth. And also, after cleaning that, put an appropriate amount of lubricating oil. And also clean the Z and the X and the Y axis guide racks every week. Fifth, maintenance of the electric control box. Weekly dust removal. It is recommended to use a vacuum cleaner to absorb dust, eliminate hidden dangers, and weekly maintain. Sixth, IPC maintenance. Once every 6 months, once every 3 months in harsh environments. You need to clean the industrial computer, remove the fixing rod, take off the cover. You need to clean the motion control card and memory module. Please use a rag, and also it is a clean. Do you remember? If this video is helpful to you, kindly give me a like. If you want to watch more laser content, welcome to leave your messages and subscribe our channel. And please open the little ring bell next to it. Joyce will update the video every week. So see you next time. Bye bye.